Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find a Viber group quickly and easily. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This is your search tool, and it's the fastest way to locate any group you're part of or want to find within Viber. Tapping this icon will bring up the search functionality that lets you filter through all your chats, contacts, and groups. Once you tap the search icon, you'll notice a search bar appears at the top of your screen. This is where you'll type in the name of the group you're looking for. Go ahead and tap on this search bar to activate your keyboard and start typing. For example, if you're searching for a group called Tutorial Labs, simply type that name into the search field. As you type, Viber will start filtering and displaying relevant results in real time. Now, after you've entered your search term, take a look at the results that appear below the search bar. You'll notice the results are organized into different sections to make navigation easier. One of these sections is labeled Groups. This section specifically shows all the groups that match your search query, making it simple to distinguish them from individual chats or other types of content. Within the Groups section, you'll see the name of the group you're trying to find listed there. In this case, you should see Tutorial Labs or whichever group name you searched for. Once you've located the correct group name, simply tap on it. This will immediately open the group chat, giving you full access to all the messages, media, and member activity within that group. And that's it. You've successfully found and opened your Viber group using the search feature. This method saves time and is especially helpful if you're part of many groups and don't want to scroll endlessly through your chat list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.